There's really nowhere in the house that you can go where you can't hear it at all.
A continuous hum has been bothering Quentin Picard, something they've been putting up with. Picard's house backs up to the neighborhood's wastewater treatment facility, maintained by National Water Infrastructure. The treatment plant works nonstop.
They added a second blower with no noise mitigation whatsoever.
In his backyard, he uses a Radio Shack decibel reader and captures this, about 60 decibels.
It's just the low frequency noise just really travels well.
National Water Infrastructure plans to put a cinder block wall around that blower. Hopefully that will mitigate the noise.
There's definitely more that they can do, and I'm glad that they're deciding to take action now.
While NWI isn't in violation of the St. Gabriel's city ordinance, Picard says they should be held to the industrial standards, which should not emit more than 45 decibels in a residential zone. He gets a reading of about 51 decibels inside his home.